Oh, hey guys, so this is going to be quite a quick video. It's just a little update in the Harco Insurance case against Wayfarer. Let's see. So Harco Insurance's counsel filed this letter the other day with Judge Lyman. 27th. Dear Judge Lyman, this office represents plaintiff Harco National Insurance Company in the above referenced action. We have conferred with counsel for the defendants and we jointly seek an extension of the current pleading schedule in this matter. The parties request that Harco shall have until August 5th, 2026 to file an amended complaint, and the defendants shall then have until September 2nd, 2026 to respond to the amended complaint. Okay, so Harco are going to file an amended complaint, and they're just laying out the dates basically for when they will file their complaint and then when Wayfarer will respond. The current deadline for defendants to respond to Harco's complaint is July 28th, 2025. No previous requests for adjournments or extensions of time have been made regarding this deadline, and there is no currently scheduled appearance before the court. Okay. So, I mean, there's not much. This is such a slow moving thing. So, obviously, if we go back, this complaint was filed back in 2020, July 21st, 2025. So, over a year ago. There's been lots of things filed, and then we had a motion to dismiss filed on October 24th, 2025. Now there's lots of extensions. So some of them filed a motion to dismiss. And then there was more filing. It was just such a mess. So eventually, November 21st, 2025, we had the memorandum of law in opposition. So the motion to dismiss was filed on October 24th. And then there was some letters from Harco asking for extensions to oppose. Their opposition finally came on November 21st. Then the reply brief from Wayfarer came on December 12th. So that was the entire motion to dismiss briefed fully. But then on December 22nd, Harco Insurance wanted to leave to file a SIR reply. Wayfarer opposed this. They filed their request to file a SIR reply on December 22nd. Wayfarer then opposed it on December 29th. And then Judge Lyman waited until the 14th of July to then deny that request. So, Harco are now going to file an entirely new complaint. Okay. And I did actually try to go into Pacer to pick up the document. It says the document is either restricted or cannot be found. But that is Judge Lyman's order. I can't access it. It's not on Court Listener. And when I tried to access it through Pacer, it's telling me that it can't be found or it's restricted. I would expect him to have said, I would have expected him to have allowed this to consent. Yeah, I think he would have, because it was a joint thing. Both parties have agreed it, and Lyman is pretty consistent in that, well, if the parties have agreed it and it's not going to affect anything. There's no trial date. There's not even discovery dates and deadlines or anything like that. Then normally he will grant it. And I think that's what he's done, but I can't say that for certain because I can't access this document. If I do find out for sure, then I will come back and just, let everyone know about that. But at the moment, I can't access it. But I think that because both parties agree to it and, it's a mutual consent, then I think Lyman will grant this. So I'm going to kind of provisionally pencil in those dates. So the 5th of August is when we should expect the amended complaint from Harco, and then the 2nd of December is when we should expect Wayfarer to respond to that amended complaint. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you've got any questions or anything, though, because I appreciate it. I don't really do much on this case because there's just not much to do. But it sounds like this is, we're going to get an amended complaint, and hopefully things will start to progress with this one as well.